Hi friends, on today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to replace this Bemis toilet seat. Now this is the rounded version. You can see it doesn't have the elongated seat. But again, the similar elongated one is going to work very similar. So basically this has a whisper close option. You can see that it has the seat fastening system to stay tight and then a precision fit. So again, make sure you have the correct version. This is a heavy white wood in the round. Let's go ahead and begin the process. All right, inside our packaging, you're going to find a couple of things here. Obviously, the main seat. It comes in two pieces, the top lid and then the bottom seat that you sit on. And then we have a couple of pieces here to take note of. We do need a tool. We're going to need a 1/2-inch wrench. And then obviously you can see the two bolts and as well as the nuts here that we'll use to tighten things down. Okay, now on the old toilet seat, what we're gonna do first is come back to the back here. There's two plastic tabs. We'll flip those open and that's gonna reveal what kind of tool we will need to remove the old one. As you can see, this is gonna take a flathead screwdriver. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in here and just loosen these two bolts up using that flathead. Also, depending on the bolt system, there may be, as you can see, a little nut underneath here that you will be required to hold while you're loosening the top here, just to make sure it comes off correctly. Now with those loosened, we can actually just pick the old toilet seat straight out. And as you can see, that's the system we're going to use to put the new one back in. We'll go ahead and clean up these holes, just to make everything a little nice. Okay, looking back at the new toilet seat, basically, it's a very similar system. As you can see, there's these two plastic tabs that we pull up. And then underneath here is a little adjustable bracket. Now there's some grooves you can see inside of this casing. This is going to allow us to really get a nice precision fit for the specific toilet seat here to replace what came off of here. So let's go ahead and set this down into place. Again, our bolts are going to go straight through here, down through those holes, and into the nut that's on the bottom. Okay, we've set the new toilet seat down on the holes. And as you can see, it looks like for us, the brackets are going to be moved all the way forward. And that's just going to make them sit the best for how this specific lid goes onto our toilet so that everything is kind of flush and looks good up here on front. Again, you may have to adjust things slightly for your specific toilet. Ours is the American standard. So what we're going to do on each side, obviously, and take note, there is some Phillips head little grooves inside here that may make our job a little bit easier. What we're going to do is we're going to feed these down in just like this, one on each side. Let's go ahead and put that down nice and flush. Okay, we're then going to take our nut, and that's what we're going to thread into. I'm going to need two hands to do this, but your little circle piece, that's actually going to go on top. So it's going to thread down just like this. Okay, after this first one is finger tight, we're going to come back over here, and we're going to do the same thing, just again, finger tighten this one. All the while, you do want to take a peek at the front, making sure things stay aligned and flush with the front of your toilet. Okay, once this is on finger tight, we're ready for our 1/2-inch wrench. And the next thing we're going to do is actually twist this and tighten it until this top piece snaps off. You heard me correctly. We want this top wrench piece to actually snap off. So at this point, we take the 1/2-inch, or in this point, I only actually had a 13 mil wrench here. So what I'm going to do is just take this, I'm going to tighten it until this plastic piece, the top piece, you can see there's kind of two layers here. We want this top piece to snap off, just like that. As you can see, it's now good to go, leaving us a little Phillips head right there that we can remove this in the future. And we just close this top little cap, and that's going to do it. We'll do the same thing on this side here now. Okay, that top piece snapped up for us. Let's go ahead and close our little cap, and there we go. We now have a really nice new soft closing toilet seat. As you can see, that doesn't slam down. Really nice. Definitely give these toilet seats a thumbs up. Hope that helps, friends. If it has, hit that thumbs up button for us. Let us know if we need to make more videos like this. And stay tuned. We got a bunch of extra DIY tutorial videos that are coming out this year. Subscribe, and we'll see you again on the next one.